If you clicked on this video, you're probably using a paid version of ChatGPT. Could be Pro, Plus, Teams, whatever it is. And with the paid version, there are exclusive features. And things start getting very interesting when we integrate between those features and the agent mode. This is exactly what we're going to do in today's video. We're going to go over 3 integrations that I find extremely useful daily or not. You know what? Let me give them to you right now. ChatGPT agent mode in projects. The bigger the project, the better. ChatGPT agent mode with connectors, and using ChatGPT agent mode for research, whatever type of research you need. Then model selection and switching to O3 or O3 Pro if you are a Pro plan user. This is what we're going to go over. Timestamps in the description as always. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome for the first time. My name is Idan and I bring you the tools and the best of my knowledge so that we can turn AI into a paintbrush for your ideas. And through that, I hope that you will love AI at least as much as I do. The ChatGPT agent mode is out. It's out for the Plus users and the teams a couple of days ago, maybe 3. And if you haven't tried it, and maybe this video will be a step, let's say a step too far for you, because we won't be seeing the agent working today. We'll be more talking about ideas of integration. But if you want to see it working, then you can go to our channel. We have the video here, agent mode unlocked. You are more than welcome to check it out. It says 37 minutes and we were having fun. But after 10 minutes, you are set to go. 10 minutes is really all you need from that video. So let's go over to our infographic that we made with Gemini as always. And as always, there will be a link in the description, and there is a download as image button if you want to download it. Here we have all the integrations we will talk about today. So even now we can go to the description and open it up. We will start with the agent-backed projects. Now, I don't know if you're following the AI news flash that we're doing every Sunday, but a couple of weeks ago, OpenAI did something amazing. You know how you have the memory of ChatGPT from your conversations, and it helps you because it has knowledge about you, and then just get better results when you're working with it. Well, they did the exact same thing in the projects, but when you are working in a project, the referencing happens from the project, and the referencing is very strong. I mean that the memory, it's a lot of memory. You can really feel that it has all the project context behind it. So if we're going here to my project, which is YouTube, shocker, I know, you see all of the conversation I had with the chat here. And I started letting the agent going on tasks for me. So for example, the most classic one, I send the agent to YouTube, to my YouTube studio, and I ask it to analyze my videos and categorize them, and also give me a list of the ideas that I already did and maybe what to do in the future, because I can send it on YouTube for a research to see what people are searching for. And that is our first integration, because once I did that, and forgive me for the life of me, I cannot find that conversation. I have the report saved as PDF. I have it as a podcast. I went to Google, to Notebook LM and made the podcast, but I cannot for the life of me find the conversation. Maybe it's not even this one. I think maybe I don't forget it. But you understand the point, because that is the important point. If you're not using the project, this is the more proper way to say it. If you're not using the project, first of all, you're not using a very big feature for ChatGPT. We will not be talking about projects right now. I'll just let you know. Go here to your conversations, open a project. You can write a new project, give it a name, and here you have an option to add to project. Once you do that, you get the same feature of the chat referencing within the project to the conversation. So when I talk to chat about YouTube or my X news or the book I'm writing, Alaska is something secret, it's only mine. It references not from all the conversations that I have, because sometimes I just ask it a question, and I don't put it on the temporary because I forget. So it only brings stuff from the YouTube. And when you turn the agent mode on, you have the agent mode working. Where is my thingy? You have the agent mode working when the entire project context is behind it, which is amazing. Everyone has a different use case. Not all of you are doing YouTube. I don't know how many of you, if any of you are doing YouTube. Your use case will work just the same. Next time you want to click on the deep research, or you want any type of research, instead of clicking on the deep research, click on the agent. It has everything, the briefs, the deadlines, everything. That is it for the projects. Pretty simple, just had to be said. Let's move on to the connectors. Now, when you go to the agent, here, you will see it in a second. We go to the tools and we click on the agent. And here on the agent, we have sources. And these are sources you can connect. It's called the connectors, MCPs. What is MCP? It says in the infographic what is an MCP. But let me just tell you that an MCP, and I will find it in Gemini in a second, an MCP is a safe way to connect the AI to the thing of yours. Gmail, for example, you saw here in the chat that I have Gmail or Google Drive, which are private things, and it might be scary if you have a bad AI going over it. But the MCPs is a safe way to connect those. You have an explanation here of what is an MCP. So we go to the connectors and we connect, for example, Gmail, Drive. And now when the agent is working, I can ask it to, first of all, go over the things in my Drive or my email. I can ask it to answer my emails, to prioritize my emails, to search things based on an email that a coworker sent me. For example, David told me about something. Okay, I can send the agent to go and find the email that David sent me, and then send the agent for a research about that email. It's a way to customize the agent a bit. It gives it more information, more context. Now, of course, you can combine the two, agent and projects, agent and connectors and projects. I go to my YouTube. I click tools, agent mode, connectors. I have it already set. Clients, Drive that I uploaded stuff. It's an Canva. Canva is a very strong one for me. GitHub, I don't use GitHub. And there are more connectors. Let's go over them for a second so you will know what type of tools you can use. You have Box, Dropbox, Google Calendar. You can ask the agent to put stuff in your calendar or switch. It's an assistant. It's an assistant. It really has human capabilities. HubSpot, I have no idea what that is. Linear, also on a Notion. SharePoint looks like Microsoft stuff, more Microsoft stuff, which of course, OpenAI is a lot of Microsoft stuff. But that is the second thing that I wanted to show you. And we're using the feature within the feature. And I know I'm not sending the agent to do work, and you might want me to, but it won't really help you to see the agent do work for me, because it will work. It will succeed. Do it for yourself right now when you're listening to me. I'm here to pass information that will help you turn AI to a paintbrush for your ideas and to empower you so you can have an easier daily life. And 1 hour and 1 working hour will become 3, 4, and that you will be able to express yourself. So if you need, close the video and go try it out. You got what you need? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give me a like. Give me a like. This is the second integration. The MCPs, the custom connectors. It will go over it. The agent has a lot of compute. It has a lot of power. It doesn't get tired. So you can really send it. It will work. I had one working for an hour. Amazing. The third one, it says deep research. It should have said agent deep research and then O3 reasoning. What do I mean by that? If we go to chat, and let's not go to the project right now, although we can take it a step further and then integrate everything. Agent, connectors, a project, and then ask the agent to go on a run. Go find me some task, something to do. Once you have the task, for example, here, I ask the agent to go over and find new capabilities, new things, there you go, you see here. That is within the YouTube. You can see the agent capabilities overview because I am researching cool things to do with the agent so I can bring them to you. And now, after I did that, all of that, forget that at the end I started talking with the agent about something else. I can download it, which is not as good, but yeah, I can move to O3, forget the download. I can model select, go to O3. Let's analyze the report by the agent. Ask me directing questions to understand what is important to me. After you have your answers, give me a brief summary of the agent's research with the things that are important to me. Very bad prompt, maybe, but we don't need more than that. The chat already has plenty of information of how I like to work. And we see it working. Thinking. This is, we're towards the end of the video. We're towards the end of the video, and I've been told this is a good time to call for action. Like the video, leave a comment, leave a feedback. It warms my heart. It gets me going. If there's something you don't understand, ask, I will answer. And if I don't know the answer, I will research the answer and then come back and give you the answer. If you want a video about something, as long as we're small, let's use it. Let's enjoy it. Ask me to do a video about something. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a feedback. Every action you take truly warms my heart, and your feedback goes a long way. Let's see the results. To tailor the summary to what matters for you, I need to pinpoint your priorities. And now depth, vast breadth, actionability, technical detail, audience framing, preferred length. Do you see? I hit my mic. Do you see where it's going to go? How powerful it is? I sent the agent on a huge task. It was working for, I know you can't see, I will just tell you how long it was working for on my task, which was find me capabilities. It was working for 10 minutes. It gave me a huge PDF. Now I take the PDF and I talk to O3, which is the reasoning one, the thinking one. It's exactly what it does. It helps you organize information, and it's just super good. You are one to integrate between AIs. You don't like O3. You prefer Grook. Take the information to Grook. You prefer Gemini. Take the information to Gemini. The integrations is where we take the meta and ourselves one step higher. Like, leave a comment. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for supporting the channel. I do not take that for granted. I will see you in the next video, in the next live. I hope that you gained something worthy from this video. Until the next time, bye-bye.